Hey everybody, this is your second video today, but I really wanted to talk to you about what's going on the channel right now. So this Thursday night, this is going to be so much fun. We are going to Country Bumpkins. It's going to be cousin Mel and Lainey, of course, and Alice and me, and we are going to have a kind of a round table discussion about what products we love at Christmas, what cute things we love at Christmas. We're going to be going through Lainey's store and deciding how to decorate with different things and showing you different things, and it's a shopping night exclusive just for you guys. Lainey has restocked the store. She's got all this great Christmas stuff in there, and she is selling it just to you guys on Thursday night from 7 to 9. Now this is kind of a cool thing, and it was a gift from Lainey to do it for me, because I don't know if you know this, but I don't get paid by any of the stores that I go to, and I usually drive an hour to go to a store and then spend a few hours videoing and then spend about 8 hours editing the video so that I can bring you a 13 to 20 minute video. And Lainey was trying to decide how best she could kind of reward me or, you know, just bless me for doing that. So she decided to do a shopping night at Country Bumpkins because she is such a doll. And I'm actually going to get 10% of the profit. So that will go right to the Ann Clay Primitive Home till, so that I can continue to make more really great videos for you guys. So I'm really excited about this. I think that we're all very excited about it on this Thursday night, and we hope you'll join us. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you're there at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to enjoy that. If you cannot make it on Thursday night, of course, that video will be running on through the weekend and throughout the next week, and just continue on with my channel so that if you watch it, you can always order on there and just tell Lainey you saw it on the live video. And I really hope that you'll all join us. I think we're gonna have a really good time. So we'll talk to you later.